I'm at Oksu station, which is on the, it's the only line that doesn't have a number, it's like a name. But I'm in the Oksu line and I'm going to catch a train and go to Yongsan because I want to have my camera looked at because I'm having so many problems. So I'm going to hope that they can fix it, but they don't have to take it for a while. This is a really cool station. I really like that. It used to be a outdoor station, now it's indoor because of that. See the green kind of stuff protecting the inside from the elements, the cold Korean weather or hot. So we're really close to the Oksu. I walk along here a lot, finding it right down to the water, and then I can look over from underneath and I can see this bridge. And that's really, really pretty. The battery's dying. Yeah, it's because there's so many directions now, so many places to go, that they divided up the trains a little bit. So this one here, I have to go a couple of stations to Oksu here, and then I have to transfer from here to Yongsan. This is kind of like line number 1, but it's slower. Still windy, windy, windy. Or sorry, cold, cold, cold because it's still very open. There's a train coming. I'm not sure if it's mine or not though. It is 10:30 on the 20th. Time goes by so fast. Yeah, there's a train, but it's not mine. Those are the nice trains, the line number 1 trains. More aerodynamic, really, really sealed because as soon as the doors close, you're nice and toasty warm, and in the hot summer, the air conditioning is blowing. It's really, really self-contained and nice in there. There's a magpie. In Korea, they say if you hear a magpie singing, that's good luck for the day, and if you see a pigeon, I think, no, sorry, a blue jay is good luck if it's singing, and a magpie or a crow is bad luck if it's singing. So that one's not singing, but it's like a blue jay. Anyhow, that's that. My hand's back in my pocket, keep warm, and I'll see you soon, alright?